Let's get into something we like to call social media check-in.
Reggie Murphy is the first. How long does it take for someone to get an immigrant visa interview in Jamaica?
Depends who's sponsoring you. And depends where your case is in the processing. So it's an impossible question without knowing anything about your particular case.
Dennis Johnson Green, another Brad Squad VIP member. I'm a citizen who filed for my husband in Jamaica and have been approved since November 4th. He's waiting on an interview date, but his police record is older than 6 months now. Should he do a new one or wait until he gets the appointment date?
Wait till the interview. Wait till the interview and let them ask for a new one.
Okay, Lawrence and Dibby, a Brad Squad VIP member. At what point in an adjustment of status interview should I tell the officer that an error was made on the I-485 form before the interview starts, or when I'm asked as I progress in the interview?
When the interview starts.
Pape Samuel, another Brad Squad VIP member. If my mom becomes a citizen, will it end up my case? She's a green card holder. I'm over 32 and live in Jamaica. My I-130 is already approved at the NBC with my 5-year-old son as accompanying listed on my petition. The case was filed in 2017 and got approved in 2020. What changes will occur towards my case if she becomes a citizen?
It'll speed it up about a year.
Okay, Max Up, 54 AM Blessed on YouTube. I rent a house for my grandkids. Is it a problem with me getting my green card condition removed? I am still living with my husband, but he didn't want to put his name on the rent.
No, it's not a big deal as long as you can prove you live with your husband in other ways.
Adams 8008 Mo, YouTube. I applied for OPT through school, then I applied for my workout reservation through adjustment of status. Do you think that they are going to cancel each other, or should I just withdraw one of the applications?
Withdraw the OPT.
Yep.
Mario Valtierra on YouTube. What's the update in the new immigration memorandum of motions to reopen an administrative closed case?
The new policy is that unless you have a criminal record or you are a terroristic threat, that the government should look very favorably on those type of cases. So this is a good time to reopen cases. It's a good time if you don't have relief and removal for prosecutorial discretion.
Okay, Kimberlyn Burris on YouTube. Can my affidavit who lives in a different state from me scan and email the I-864 form completed with her signature to me, and then I mail it to USCIS, or am I required to mail the...
You need an original signature. It's called FedEx Overnight It.
Sam Bath Krishnashwami on YouTube. Where can I find sibling family-based backlog numbers till date?
Google Visa Bulletin. And on Google, and the first thing that'll pop up is travel.state.gov/visa bulletin, and that's where you find it.
George Cabrera on YouTube. Is there a way to help aged out children? My nephews are 3 years over the CSPA and the priority dates are not due yet.
Let me calculate the Child Status Protection Act, and I'll tell you whether they qualify or not.
Mama Tan on YouTube. I'm married to LPR with a valid I-94. I didn't apply, but I've been out of status for 2 years now. What is the best course of action? My spouse is applying for N400 next year.
File an I-130 now, because there's no guarantee that your spouse will become a citizen. If he becomes a citizen, wonderful. You'll upgrade the I-130 and adjust your status here. And if he never becomes a citizen, at least you have an approved I-130. You'll do a provisional waiver, go home, and come back.
DB on YouTube. My friend wants to know when she will receive her EAD after applying for VAWA and adjusting of status concurrently. She received the biometrics appointment and prima facie.
Hopefully about 6 months after she filed. 2 more.
Katie Jones on Facebook. When should I apply for my 10-year green card if my 2-year green card expires November 2021?
August 2021.
Marsha Saunders on Facebook. How long does it take for a U.S. citizen daughter to file for her Jamaican mother?
About 12 to 18 months. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.